Okay, wait, can we talk about how everyone keeps saying AI is taking over all the jobs? Like, okay, cute. Love that for robots. But what are we supposed to do? If you've been low-key stressed about your future, same. But here's the thing. Not all jobs can be automated. Yes, AI can write essays, it can make graphics, it can answer your emails, but it can't fix your HVAC system. It can't wire buildings, it can't clean your teeth, it can't care for you in the hospital. And those jobs, they're not going anywhere. And when it comes to fields like welding, HVAC, electrical, let's normalize women being in those spaces too. Skilled trades aren't just for the guys. Women are thriving in these roles and getting paid real money to do the work. Plus, there's something so powerful about knowing you can build or fix something with your own hands. That's why I love what Midwest Technical Institute is doing. You skip the random gen ed classes and get hands-on training to learn a skilled trade. Most programs take less than a year. It's hands-on, skills-focused, and built to get you job ready. If you're tired of feeling uncertain, maybe the move isn't a more traditional school or a job behind a desk. Maybe it's learning a set of skills that no one can take away from you, not even AI. Click the link below to check out Midwest Technical Institute and see what's possible for you.